Hi, my name is Dylan Mouton. My favorite quote is, "It isn't whether you get knocked down, it's whether you get back up." I will explain why that quote is my favorite in a few minutes. I will also tell you about my childhood, my family, my high school career, and something I had to overcome in high school. I will tell you what I am doing now and my dreams for my future. Now I have introduced myself, I will give you some specific information. I am 18 years old and I am from Lumberton, Texas. Lumberton is the only place I have ever lived. Actually, the house I live in with my family is the only house I've ever lived in. I graduated from Lumberton High School in 2012. I live with my mom and dad, Ricky and Vicky Mouton. My dad works for Southampton Refinery in Silsbee. My mom is a Lumberton High School teacher. I also have a sister named Nicole who graduated from Lamar University in 2011. She is a service manager for HEB. Our family has 3 dogs, 2 Jack Russell Terriers, and a miniature schnauzer named Dash that stays inside. One of my favorite quotes is by Vince Lombardi. "It isn't whether you get knocked down, it's whether you get up." This is my favorite quote because I did have something happen to me and I was determined and did not let it keep me down. You see, I have always played sports. I started playing basketball and soccer when I was 4 and 5 years old. I continued playing into high school. I ran track and played the sport I loved the most, football. I also like riding dirt bikes when my dad would ride his four-wheeler. One of the first days of summer after my junior year of high school, I was riding my dirt bike and had an accident and blew out my knee. I found out a couple weeks later that I had torn my lateral and medial meniscus and my ACL. I thought sports for my senior year were over. The doctor told me he could fix the meniscus, and if I was determined, I could rehab and be ready for two-a-days in August to start my senior year. I could play out the sports I wanted to play with a brace and my ACL required when I had finished. I was determined to play football, so I had the meniscus surgery on June 15th and took the practice field for two-a-days August 7th. I took the field with this brace. It became my best friend. I had to wear it all the time. It was able to play the football season and the soccer season. I loved sports, so when this happened, I felt like I got knocked down, but I did get up and fought my way back onto the field. I did have my ACL surgery on April 20th and still have to wear the brace only until April 20th. Now that I have told you some specifics about me and my family, I will let you know some things about what I'm doing right now. This is my second semester at LIT. I am a freshman. I am taking 12 hours this semester. I am majoring in instrumentation. I do not want to leave this area. I hope to get a job in one of the area plants when I graduate. I do not work the first semester of school, and I am not working right now. I did work last summer for a lawnmower repair company and saved money so I would not have to work during school. I am planning to find a job toward the end of this semester so I will be able to work full-time this summer. Right now I focus on school and still enjoy running and picking up a game of soccer or basketball at the park in town. Now I have told you a little about what I enjoy doing right now. I would like to tell you about my future plans. As I said, when I graduate, I hope to be able to find a job in this area because I don't want to leave Southeast Texas. I hope to have a job that I love to go to every day, and one day have a family. With my degree and hard work, I will be able to take care of my family and live comfortably life. There is also this red GMC 4-wheel drive truck that had a good lift on it, and I would really like to have it one day, sooner than later. I have told you a little about my childhood, my family, past hardships, and what I am doing now, and what my plans are for my future. My name is Dylan Mouton, and remember, when living your life, that it's not whether you get knocked down, it's whether you get up.